guys, Hello Baby here. Welcome on today's videos, are very special. And right now it's early morning over here, and we thank God for the gift of life. So right now guys, I'm in Border Town. Actually it's early morning, you know, as you can see it's around 7:15 a.m. in the morning. So I don't know guys, maybe the bus will come from this side here, and I think it's from this side. I just wake up early in the morning to come in Border Town, pick my brother. Guys, sorry for the noise. To pick my brother in bus station. I think maybe Ena coach of Nyamira, I don't know. So I'm still waiting him, and the time is going. So today is on Sunday, date 14 December. So actually my brother went for the trial in Nairobi, especially for the football, and today he'll be coming back to the village. So maybe should I go this way, or I'm still waiting from this side? I don't know guys, I have no idea. But he make a call around 5:30, like, hey my brother, I'm on the way, you know. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it, because you mean the world to me, and also dream come to reality guys, you know. So this is the beauty of Border Town. Imagine you have a studio, I don't know, maybe you have a studio on this building here, you know, man. Maybe I'll sit here as I keep waiting here. This could be crazy. Oh my god. So anytime guys from now we'll pull up. I don't want to go in a bus station hanging there. So man, wow, look at that. You know the reason why I hate most of the city or in towns, it's because of, you know, chaotic. You know, we have louder music, you know, motorbike like whoo, pretty, you know. As you watch this video guys, please subscribe to my channel, comment, share, like. Also watch the length of the videos. That's the best way you can support your boy Hello Baby official, you know. So today my intro starts from here. There's a Kanai's supermarket and wholesaler. Upstairs we have club and hotel, you know. So majority of people in Border Town, they really invest in terms of business, you know. And I'm telling you, this Border Town, we are staying near the border of Kenya and Tanzania, in the boundary. So most of the time, you know, it's to buy goods from Tanzania, bring to our country, you know. Guys may have no clue. I'm still waiting my brother, you know. I think he left here on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 4 good days. And I think today's on Sunday, you know. Wow. Stadani! Come you say hello? That's done. Ah, Fala. And also I'm wearing here Kenya. This is Kenya. By the way, I'm a Kenyan by citizen, by birth, you know, by everything. I just born and raised in Kenya. So me guys, I'm just happy, and I want to know what's going on the side of my brother, because he went for the trial. So basically we expect more success from him and more goods from him, because even me, I try my best on my side to support him going to Nairobi and coming back, you know. So that money that I have, I supposed to use to complete the space, all the space that remaining on my mom's house. But I said no. Go and try, maybe if you'll be among us of those people will be, you know, succeed. So I don't think, man, bro. You know, right now the time is going on, it's 7:20 a.m. Ekiore ndio nipe mazuri. As me, I'm just hanging here, and you know at the same time the bus will go around. Yeah? Mheshimiwa 15 supu. Nipe mazuri. Say hello. Fine. You good? Vipi Christmas? Utauza makuku ama? Christmas same day. You know, guys, he was the guy who's selling the chicken on the other side. So maybe on Christmas, the kuchangia kujogora
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hanga ndao mia nere. Hanga ndao mia ni suri.
Yeah.
This is my phone, my friend.
Your phone.
Yeah. I have no money.
No money.
No money.
The way you are.
Yeah, no money. I'm too broke.
You're so smart.
Smart, yeah, man.
You me 100.
I don't have money. Now I'm still waiting my brother here. He was coming from Nairobi.
Nairobi?
Yeah. Sijui kama basi zimefika ama hazijafika.
Watu hazijafika.
Sasa ni saa ngapi? Saa moja. Kwani zinakuja saa ngapi?
Tunachelewa saa 1:20. Hili kitakuwa kila gari imepita.
Saa 2. Okay. Wow. Ama kwa hizi basi zenye ziko hapa.
Angalia.
I'm asking him, let me try. No. Sometime I could spend my time, maybe he was around here, but I don't know.
Can you see?
Yeah. We have Ena coach here, guys. Yes. This some street boy here. Maraba. Sina era. You see, guys, that's Ena coach right there. We have Bungoma line. So guys, this is another country bus. Let me try that one. I see.
He come with your money.
Yes, we have some Uber here.
He come with your money.
With money?
Yes.
Unazo? Nipe sasa. Ona wateja yafika, unararu nacho wateja. Guys, I left my baby here. Yeah, hi. Oh man, this could be crazy. I see something. I see somebody like my brother on the other side. Let me check. Oh my God, me, I was wasting my time on the other side, and the bus were being taken on other routes. This could be more crazy. Yeah. Let me check my brother here. Oh my God. Ja, wewe mzee. Acha panangu cha Abraham. Hey. How's everything, bro?
Everything was fine.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Imagine, guys, all from Nairobi. How was your journey?
The journey was fine. I'm just waiting the result. Yeah.
For the first time to see Nairobi.
Yeah.
Did you go around?
Yeah, Yeah, he went around.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, I'm telling you, from Nairobi back to my village, it's around 10 hours.
Yeah.
10 good hours.
10 good hours.
Even you try your best. There is a day, guys, I went to Mombasa. From Mombasa, it's double. The journey going Nairobi, coming back.
20 hours.
We got 20 hours. I sit and then I feel so tired. Even from Nairobi, no joke. Yeah. Okay, come this side here. Maybe you could get a thumbnail with my brother here, guys. You know, all the way from Nairobi. All right. So maybe you can go and have something to eat, like breakfast, and then I'll come and then pick my motorbike. You know me, I was waiting on the other side, and maybe this bus go around because we have another route there. Let's go this way. Okay, let's go. Let's pass here. So guys, that's my brother. If you don't know him, he was the one who went to Nairobi. And should I say I sponsor him to go in Nairobi? Okay. So let's have something to eat, and then I'll come and pick my bike there. Oh my God. This, oh yeah. Yeah, I'm so happy. You know, when somebody travels from maybe one place to another and you reach safely, you say, God, thank you.
Yeah.
Right? Because sometimes journey have some problem, you know. Maraba. Unataka nini? Chai. Sina pesa sahi, man. Guys, this is Ena coach here. You want to say hello?
Hi.
You good? Alright, we keep moving on.
Yeah.
Okay. That could be crazy. You know those streets, boy, they need some money.
Yeah.
And if you're not careful, they'll snatch your phone and then run. Okay, guys. This is the best moment, and it's all morning in Border Town. So we are looking something to eat for our early breakfast, and then we're heading home. No? I know right now you're hungry.
Yeah, even I'm tired.
You're tired? Okay, when you reach home, you take shower and then you sleep. Yeah. Okay. Hey. So guys, let's go and see. I think on this we have the restaurant. You know, we have some containers here, and we have some hotel there. Okay. We go straight and then third way. And basically it's full or not. Okay. So you know, there's some containers here. In America they were being built like that. Okay. I don't know. It's too cold. Maybe you can have a seat. Oh my God. Vav. Hi, Ore.
Wow.
So at least, maybe let me sit on this side. Oh my gosh. And I told you the moment you travel, don't wear shoes.
Yeah.
Like mine here. No. Only maybe slippers or sandals. Whew, and then you'll be travel safely. Or else maybe you could wear heavy boots. Ah. Well. So I'm still waiting. Some waiters here. They are kind lazy. Yeah. This is a nice business. Okay guys. And I'm telling you the time is running. It's around 7:30. So here you have mash, nails bar. You have maybe some salon. Oh, crazy. So I don't know, maybe I don't see people here. You know, maybe a hotel in Nairobi, the moment they see some visitors or customer, they keep, you know, like running to your table. Oh, what do you need? There's a menu there. Or there's another restaurant in Nairobi. You sit, a robot came and then you said what you need and then it's going to bring the food. You know. But here, there's some kind of lazy. You know. Guys. What do you think? Is these people are serious here? With their business? Me, I don't think. We spend almost 3 minutes waiting for the waiter. You know. Patie chai na chapati. Chapati ni shilingi ngapi? 20. Na chai? 20. Maharage? 30. Itakuwa ngapi wewe?
Maharage 50 kuna maharage ya 30.
30. Okay, weka ya 30. Maharage ya 30, chapati moja na chai. Siko sawa?
Iko sawa.
Or you need more chapati?
It's okay.
They can add you chapati if you need. I know you are too hungry. Don't compare me. Okay, you can go and tell him they give you 2 chapati. Hey, you know, if you compare me, like I can eat only 1 chapati, I'm full. So I know you are too hungry. Chingika chakoro. So there's some truck which brings some material like sand, stones, ballast. And I told you don't compare me and you.
Yeah.
You know. I know the whole last night you sleep hungry. Okay guys, let's wait the food. And then we shall continue from there. And today's on Sunday. At the same time, it's a market day.
Yeah.
I think maybe I'll take my people to the market to see how, you know, people buying chicken, buying cow, goats. Like we do some, you know, different business, buying and selling, and it's bring people together, you know, from different tribe, different community. So guys, I think if I get enough time, I'll take you to the market and I will see, you know. how people, you know, do some business. Either you buy or you sell. Chicken, hen, no, I mean chicken, cow, goat, sheep. I don't think if they're selling donkey.
No, I couldn't.
Go ahead. Hey, mire. My hair va corrupta. Hold on. So guys, the food is coming from there. So there's no need to pause. You know, there's no need to pause. And guys, wish me happy birthday. So maybe from next week, when that week ended, another week, on Thursday, it's a Christmas day. Utamwongeza huyu mmoja juu yeye unajua kuonja sana. There's some beans here. Okay. Where kura hizo? That's two?
Yeah.
I'm still waiting mine. These beans here, guys. Orange one. Oh yeah. How do you taste that beans?
Not so good.
Okay.
And they sell it expensive, imagine.
Imagine. You know, sometimes people didn't like, you know, more oil. So maybe that's the reason why I do like that. There is this some tea here. Yeah. So you know, maybe you should have this. Take this. You know me, I have some problem with my tooth. So guys, this milk tea here. I'm still waiting chapati. So hot. How it tastes, chapati?
So nice.
So you just have to. Yeah. Alright. And then we go home, guys. Boy. I'm shooting my video. Nani huyo?
Mwipare.
Hey. Kwa shingapi? Guys, I'm speaking with my brother.
500.
500. Mpe simu.
Chacha.
Anaitwa Chacha.
Uno nani Onyambo tu?
Kwani endo kiateka? Mpatie simu tuongee naye. Anakufungiaje nyumba? You know, they're supposed to close my brother's house. Chacha. Hello. Fanya hivi. Nipatie nini ya kulipa hiyo nyumba yake tumulipe. Sasa maana kufanyia hivi.
Namba hizi. Namba hizi.
Namba yake ya kulipa.
Namba hizi. Tayanza. 0710
10
94
94
44 38.
Sasa anadai shilingi ngapi?
500.
Sasa maana kufungia nyumba. Yeah. Ama unatumia mbinu zingine? Hello. Imeleta Chacha Benson. Hello. Hello. Imeleta Chacha Benson. Sasa mbona kufungia nyumba juu ya 500 tu?
Murata utune deni tiga.
Hello Chacha.
Vipi?
Fresh bro. Uko poa? Mbona unahanda ndugu yangu ja kwa 500 tu?
Dari kan ko muhandan. Abono mbe mujona tano kuzani sana. Tamanya ko muhanda. Ono mena yatabo abumaya sana. Hata na tunante bibe niga hotire ko sinchita and then to my head the way forward.
Sawa, sasa hii hadai mpaka Januari ndo ataanza kulipa nyumba tena. Sasa hii hamdai mpaka Januari ndo atalipa nyumba.
Mpaka tena Januari uko ndo atalipa nyumba. Mpaka Januari ndo hararo pesa. Sasa hivi tutakuwa na nyingi maji sasa tunajaribu na nemo hotere bana hano. Ndara fikiri nyumba hivi.
Haya, ushapata message?
Ndio angalia.
Benson Chacha.
Hige.
Haya, mara asante. Siku ingine? Siku ingine? Unajua sometimes pesa inasumbuaga. Nikikwambia haiko ja, unamsukuma tu mpaka siku nikipata nalipa.
Sawa.
Haya. Mboyande mura. Nikija nipate unatumia mbinu zingine za kura hera tutakosana.
Kila rivege kila la poroki. Napiga 500.
Yaani wewe roho hikiji ni sukumu unataka ukule pesa ya ukora. Nitajua tu.
Kama tatandambo kile mura kiukumbu.
Next week unakuja nyumbani. Next week unakuja nyumbani.
Ijumaa hiyo.
Next week. Sasa ngoja nipambane nione kama nitatafuta 200 nikuwekee.
Sawa. Kana mti kumra ni virasi na aliende. Ndio vitana juu.
Hiyo ndio life ya shule mara ngangana.
Tanto mira nere breakfast.
Asa hii sina pesa man. Nilikuwa na 500.
Pesa ngapi?
Kwenda jioni.
Sawa.
Wewe mwambie kupatie 100 nitakuwekea umpatie.
Chacha.
Sawa. Guys, I'm speaking with my brother and sometimes I'm so disappointed. You know, the guy want to lock their house because of 500. So guys, I pay the money because I don't want my brother crying, oh, they're supposed to close my house. So anyway guys, we are leaving this place and I have some short phone call with my brother. Maybe we shall meet on the next vlog. So guys, now we are leaving Border Town, heading home. This is Angel Guardian right there. Okay. Whoa! I'm telling you guys, it's early morning. So now, that's the beauty of Border Town. Oh, that's a mosque right there. Okay, let's go. That's some two bank there. Oh my god, there is no gas here, so I'm supposed to put the gas for $2 and then my life continue, you know. Guy. That's some small mandaski there for the business. Police station right here. Huh? Man. Guys, we are pushing like never before. Okay. And it's a cool, chilly day, you know. That's a depot for the Coca-Cola company. Woo! You see, guys, how morning looks like in Africa. Go on. So we're gonna put the gas here on this shell here, and then we go. Camera. Se quiero no va a conseguir. Ué. Otero rendenga. Guys, I'm putting the gas, sure. So I put the gas for $5 right there. So that's 2 liters. So guys, now we left Border Town. We use this road here, called the local road. Right now I'm telling you, even the dump site are smelling like something else. Have that view from East Africa, Kenya, to precise Nyabuhanse village to the world. Look, that's stagnant water. So it means last night it was raining, the rain of cat and dog. So it's good to receive heavy rain in our village, and that's blessing. Anytime. Yeah. Guys, me, I'm happy when my brother he reached safely home, and we thank God, man. We thank God for everything. We thank God for our gift of life, you know. We are healthy, we are breathing fresh air, and man, things will be awesome. Let's go. Imagine, these are local schools that we have here. My bad school right here. And also my mama, she doesn't have clue what's going on. I'll tell her, oh mom, that's your son right here. And I want to know her feeling. Boom! Bless up, big up, anytime. One love, you know. Subscribe to my channel, you know. This is your boy, Hello Baby, from Kingston, Jamaica. Represents Jamaica from Africa to the world, you know. Alright guys, we shall meet home. Guys, we reach home safely, and that's my brother right there. So this is my home, and actually today my intro starts in Border Town early in the morning as I'm waiting my brother. Shkamant. Huh? You know, even my auntie was shocked. Okay, so let me greet my birds and then come, guys. Wait me there. So guys, it's good to greet my birds, you know, because sometimes when I sit here chilling with some small music, I normally, you know, have the vibe from these birds here. Hey my birds, good morning, you know. I wish you Merry Christmas in advance. You know, that's my beautiful birds. And the good thing is, guys, when I was building this toilet, these birds come and camp here. Also, when I dig the borehole, the same birds come and camp here. And enjoy Jabon. And also when I'm building my mama house, the birds come and camp there. So it means, man, maybe by God's grace I'll be rich in future. Just say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Salimia Mwita. Imagine guys. Emotional. And also Japon, I have some gifts for your Christmas. Kuna rafiki yako amekutumia pesa nje nikununulie nguo. Mama, I'm telling my sister, I think I'm watching these videos. So today's on Sunday. Probably by tomorrow, I'll take my sister and my mom to the shop. And maybe for the rest of subscriber, you watch the videos and you'll see the gifts, all the gifts. Anyway, let's go inside. And then you greet my mom. Okay, welcome home. This is our, you know, our real life. Nyaboni, Johnny panguze viatu. Johnny panguze viatu. No, Bruno, panguze viatu. Ingia ndani. Okay. No, Bruno wants to say hello. Wajakolo. Okay. Get inside. Panguza na tafuta nguo chafu paru panguza. You know guys, that's my brother. Anyway, I'm so happy. Oh bro, can I ask you one thing? I want to ask how the trial went. To me he. Hey, use this. Come on. Wait, Joe. So come outside here. I want to, you know, panguza. I told my sister to wipe for me some sandals. I want to remove these shoes here because me, I'm not used to use the shoes. I need, you know, when my leg to be getting fresh air. Okay, before maybe you sleep, I know you're tired. How was maybe Nairobi? So far so good.
Nairobi was good. Everything is fine. I went trials there at State House High School, boys.
Oh, State House.
Yeah.
State House High School.
Yeah.
So you mean State House? It's found near the State House of Nairobi.
Yeah.
Did you see the State House where the president and all parliament stay?
It's just some few kilometers, like 2 to 3 kilometers to the State House. I went trials there. I tried my best. And so far, by God wish, I'm waiting a good result from there.
Oh, they will call you?
Yeah.
You left your number?
Yeah.
Okay, blessing. All right.
I left my number there and he said, I'm going to call the home coach and finally I will call you, I will give you the result. Yeah.
You heard that, cock? It has the meaning. Remember today, it's on Sunday, that's 14. And the message that I heard from my brother, it's touched my heart. What I know from my heart, you'll win.
Yeah.
Because even you had the cock, it's welcoming you.
Yeah.
Alright, you just go and have enough rest. You take shower, you sleep, you know. Right, that's my brother. This cock. Guys, that's my baby here, and I see the cow grazing. Actually, it's a Sunday morning, and I need to take my mom and sister to church right now. Wow. Look. Wanna get nothing in mom. Car grazing here. You see? This is the maize corn stuff here. Look. Sharing is caring. You can't believe this cow. There's her baby on the other side. That one right there. Look. So let me take them to church. Muita! Muita! I want to know. You know, my brother, he came early in the morning, but I need to attend the church. You know. So for me, guys, sorry. I know most of you ask me, what about your little baby? I'm rushing somewhere else. But as long as my family go to church and pray for me, you know. Yeah. Hey. Mom. Yeah, can you go to make a tank?
Hey.
I'm asking Mama, do you need a tank cloth like this? You, I have no problem with you. And your hair is growing. Got a camera? Huh? So that's how they go. Yanko ta kwingi venete mubuche mama.
Itashono.
Para que pigo uzi. Acha vitu za rocker mama. Shilingi 50 pigo uzi.
Tamire mutu kwa chinde chire cho na renchirente.
Guys, this is how the hairstyle looks like in the village here. Look. Same to my mom. Like mother, like daughter. No problem. So we are still waiting our brother and see how things go. Mama kusenko bomokere kuchipila si ha. Ndio nataka nione yule fundi wa chuma akuje. I see those rental, maybe it's go inside, I don't know. Or it's because I stand at distance. You know, sometimes the timbers are not straight. They may be compressing inside. Oh, it's just okay. I was shocked about that corner right there. So guys, on this side here, I have more material, but this one I need to push toward the further end. I'll use it maybe later. I'll see. Maybe I'll start maybe building the wall or maybe those house. Not now, guys. But now I'm keep putting more effort. You know, that house I'm aiming a lot. I'll spend a lot of time to see what I can maybe do roofing and everything. So when I finish everything, pressing and everything's okay, I'll start pushing that house on the other side. These stones, maybe I'll use it to construct a wall or to start a house. This family, they are shining, guys, because of you, and we just trust and believe in God. That's how my family, you know, shining. You never sleep?
No.
Eh? This is yours?
No, it's not mine.
We call Bluetooth earphone.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, guys, let's go.
We are dead.
You're dead. Okay. So, guys, it's time to go. Let me take them to church. So, guys, hold the camera. Make sure to go to the phone. So, guys, we're heading to church. Guys, now. Goodbye. Guys, that's a church. Hi. Alright, guys, so right now I'm heading to the market place. So this is a Christmas holiday. I want to share with you what's going on. What's up? You know. Right. So we're gonna try the price for Christmas holiday. Whether you can see maybe chicken or maybe goats for slaughter, no problem. You know. So now we are testing. So guys, I want to take you to the marketplace, this side here. And we'll share with you some price. Maybe for the cow or goats. And maybe during birthday, I'll look something to slaughter. You know. Let's see. First, let me take you that way to see some goats. You know. This market for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how things go. Maybe we start from the goats. Let's see, guys. Some goats. Kuna mtu natafuta kwanza. I'm telling you guys, it's a Christmas holiday. We have sheep right here. So, Ibengu tunamburi December nchakukora 35. Atuyo ndo herunya orange. Mulisha mapera. I don't know why you enjoy Christmas. Guys, I want to ask the price. During my birthday, I want to slaughter a goat. Oh my god. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 days, guys, before Christmas, and it was my birthday. Natunenta kokoga. Mfano kamen. Chimbire cha Kenya. Kaya mangana kao. Eno nye kihuri. So guys, me want to ask price here. Hi, ante batiwa. Hey. Hirenga. Mangu tane mbiri ako katarishi na tani.
Ango te biri 12.
Ama biku wama ko sababu roche kamera. Ukore be ya ba.
Tadi gando che kamera. Atora buri yo masero yana wote.
Funana terabe. Gang.
Nane ni ankeng.
Yeah.
Nane labda ndo tunakeo 900 mic nenge.
Datu mbere mbere. Imburi kama ni rengo kago.
Kunyanya.
Ni beini chere kuigwa. Anari hamisi kuhika. 35. Yo?
11. Ntore na.
Ama mubangere.
Ono bro uchingonga.
Yeah.
Na manyereve ya soko.
Ona na hena. Anera rusipa matumbo numane ndare.
No razo.
Eno. Ndo katamo.
Ora nef kumi cha.
Yeah. So guys, this one goes to 12,000 Kenyan shillings, $100. Tatika ete mi binto be. Kamera ate mete mi bona chwa. Aya musa no ukiniona di hamisi.
Brajiri ore.
Yeah. Kuzini booster.
Ile kwani
Uwe. Takamba po yanungu tunari hamisi tingu totora sombrana.
ambe ngote birindi.
Na tingu tunna kwa sana.
Ibere.
Naiona. So guys, I'm trying, to ask the price, and then during Christmas Day, I will be here early in the morning. Yendo ya koko akimu. Takamba buebe inchi.
Kwani katanga 11,500. 11,500.
Kumiti chirabe. Yeah. Yeah. Sasa miadi hamisu kiniona nimeingia tu tufanye baby so. Ntakutuna nguli mburi kuikarera anak.
Tane
Ikitoka hapa
Waito harana hana hamata hii. Torange ni kuirize. Kwanenge.
Wewe ukiniona hadi Hamis. Tawaya asubuhi. Haya.
Hata kuzodo. Sirero rero tutana buguri.
Aibi mori ngutuna. Akaranyo mori pesa de sini sara sindi bedan.
Emora. Sasa kuna abinyoni. Bomocho ikita. Imburi yo, imburi. Yo kemandaji gora ke goro buguri kemwe. 10,311.
Yes, I told him 10,000 because no bargaining, like maybe stealing from each other, no. Hata roda agora happy mon. Futista.
Kechira na chile mbeka banani abamura bande baramono.
So guys, you heard that goat? It goes to 10,000. That's close to around $100. And I think during my birthday, I will slaughter goats so my family can be able to enjoy. So I'm taking where they are selling cows right now. Again, if I want to talk Mambo shwari.
Mwana yo ame hai.
Ekiore.
Na bato kan role ko di goto mo ke YouTube.
Ila otoma.
Yaro mo to ano rakhe ko mo
Amangana na makongo. Guys, that's how they do when you want to buy a car. Huh? Sarasini ogende. Guys, that's how we do. Sama ndio biri kaf Sarasini. Siko ko chire. Nara. Sikali chiwagorire kana. Where is your hand?
Emo, engoko nema igari nema na yeyo.
Mbili, Mercedes na hiyo.
Mercedes?
Na hiyo.
Tuone ango.
You have money.
Kongo ni jani ndani tata. Jago nyora nkor manganga.
Kono no acha kore ngoko.
Mango wenda nyewe isa kwa heta uni.
Where is the market for the hand? Iga?
Ijo na jura ni waje tekero woye. Iya kide. Kege foto ni murono. Mahari tuwe na weje.
Mauro. Upokora bono boro. Isara na una hera.
Tani chini.
Kwani una makaratasi? How much do you sell this?
14.
Eh?
14,000. 1400.
You want to scam my money? 14,000.
14 tata. 14. Boya na gule ngoko 14.
Kono racha ngera bono. Kono bucho amatega bucho. Tonda kunyora ge.
Guys, within here, this is the market of hen. Look, down here, there. Bono way, I don't know what to the dragon. See, guys, these people. Eh? Ugwere. Guys, imagine this is a dam here or a pond, but it's deeply. Now I'm standing here. That's my bike right there. Anyway, guys, we shall meet home. So right now I'm in Tire part of the village. You know. We officially launched. Nyama. I have here my guy, Vidi John.
Yes, guys. Just having some good beer.
Okay.
Oh, Buddha.
Yeah. We are in Europe, man. Hey.
Well, listen to me.
Acha tuone. Tuenda hadi huko tuzunguke hivi.
Wewe mimi nakuja.
Si Guys. See this. Mwita anakula maisha. Mwita. Ya mwita. Toa ngobo ha. So guys. Telling you guys. Vip. Dako gere. Shika. Okay. Sema ndani.
Hilari.
Nenda nao ndani.
Sawa. Ona, wewe Hilari.
Ona ushike straight ushike.
Sawa.
Unaweza swim nayo kwenda ndani.
Hey!
Ona.
Hapo usifinye. Una record, shaona.
Tegea usirada.
Oh,
Man, I thank God. Ina rekodi? Okay. Yeah? Mwita gani?
Mwita kidole.
Simjui mwita. Vidi. Vidi John.
Muita.
Muita ameenda huko. So guys, after swimming, you can maybe, you know, groom here, basking, and then having a soft drink on this side. It's crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Njoo anzie hapa. Anzeni hapa mkiruka kwenda ndani sasa. Hapa ndo mnaweza anzia chup.
Hapa. Do Hilary mwenyewe.
Hilary. Guys, I'm around at the village, you know. And this vibe, it reminds me Europe. I think, guys, that place is more deeper than this, you know. Yeah? Uko mwisho ni deep, si ndio? Uko. Ni baridi sana. How do you feel?
I feel good.
Good. Okay.
Nasema maisha bambucha. Nasema kuenjoy.
Guys, I'm telling you, in Migori County, Jofa #1. Unaonaje? Unaweza compare hii na Vana? Wapi? Hapa na Vana. #1. I'm telling you guys, Jofa #1. Nice place. Best place. Man, I'm telling you, maybe you think I'm in Europe. Man, I'm in my village. You know. Look. I was waiting. I'm telling you, man. After swimming, maybe you can chill here with your cold. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Hayore.
Niko hapa Jofa.
Uko Jofa? Nakanyiganya Gor Mahia na Katsor.
Upande gani? Yeah. Unasemaje bro? Uko ni deep. See guys, and also down here we have the fish pond. Crazy. Ulikuwa unasemaje ba?
Deepest place ndio hii.
Huko. Panaonekana. Hapo kichezo unaweza enda. Don't try.
Hapo kwa beginners. Don't try it at all.
Yes. I hope these ties are rough. CJ. Hey bro, hapo kipiga
Iko poa kabisa. Abu enda.
And also we have some lights here.
Chini. You breathe in kidogo.
We have some ladies right there. Okay. Amefunga mapua. Hey, you try, my friend. Try, and then you see.
Umetense? Baridi, imagine cool.
Tuza gas.
Atachokea hapo kati. Ngojuone.
Imeisha hiyo.
Imeenda.
Imeisha.
Sinisha kuambia.
Ena duko.
Wacha mimi nizunguke.
Sawa.
Guys, I must be very careful. So just came to see how things go. Maybe guys, as I told you earlier, from next week I'll come and chill with my friends here and enjoying. Boom. Alright guys, I'm back home, and actually I just visited one of the restaurants in my village here. So by yesterday they were doing launching of the restaurant, and also it has some maybe room to sleep, place to enjoy, like cold drink. If maybe somebody are taking beer, it has those places. If maybe you are taking food and soft drink, also it has its own place. And actually I see the background, man, in Migori County, that's #1 that I see. And I was waiting for the long time, you know. I was going there off camera, and I see sometimes there is a day I do short video on my Instagram. And actually guys, please also follow me on Instagram. My name on Instagram was Emmanuel Manyara. Emmanuel Manyara, MANYARA. Emmanuel Manyara. Follow me on Instagram, support me there. So also I do there an amazing, you know, short video for Instagram, and I love that place. I see some boys and girls enjoying, ladies and gentlemen, you know, like I wanna say maybe men and women enjoying, you know. I can't wait to go there maybe one of these days, maybe by January next year, you know, hopefully there, because now I'm planning, you know, for my birthday to see how things go. And actually, if you're watching these videos for today, I went to the market where they're selling chicken, cow, goat, and I asked one price of the goat. It goes to $100. So I think when I get $100, I'll buy goats. So my family, you know, somehow large from here. My grandma, also from my great grandma, have some people staying there. Also from home, my neighbors, friends around the village here, they will come and enjoying, you know. I don't know, but I'm doing a serious birthday, like not all local, like I mean the standard one. It's need you to have maybe, you know, more than $300 to $400, because you need to buy cake, sodas, we cook chapati, you know, rice, we slaughter goats, and people, you know, enjoy. And man, let me tell you one thing, I was born in good time. 25th on Christmas Day this month. I think maybe guys, tomorrow's on Monday. When we finish that week, next week party 2, trust me. I think maybe tomorrow's on Monday, so let me assume today's on Monday. When we finish this week, next week part 1, on Thursday it's a Christmas Day. At the same time, on Thursday, it's your boy Hello Baby official party day. And guys, like maybe back years I never celebrate birthday. It's because when I join YouTube and I see some friends celebrate birthday there, and also not even YouTube, other people in my village here celebrate, I said let me do it. You know, when I'm alive, let me enjoy my life, you know, because in this world life is too short, man. Anyway guys, I'm so good and I'm so grateful because I'm happy. I thank God I have good health, and each and every I turn new year, try to imagine. So by January maybe I start another new year. Maybe after birthday 25th, 26th I turn new year. So I want to say maybe every December I was turning new year. And me, nothing to be hide. I'm 25 years now. So it means 2026 I'm turning 26 years old. Maybe somehow people will think I'm too, you know, like I'm too old, I'm too young. It's your own opinion. But for me, I think I'm too young, because some of my audience who watch my videos, I'm your grandson, I'm your son, you know, whichever the case. And maybe I'm your brother, I don't know. So let me know how do you think this video. So anyway guys, after this I'm going to have my lunch inside the house. Again, I'll go to see the guy for the steel, but today I'm serious guys, because even I found the Muita early in the morning. I told him, you just go look another Muita for the steel bar. So I need by tomorrow to start that work, and also by tomorrow also the engineer will be around here. So anyway guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate guys. I love you from my bottom of my heart guys. But first, check out Felicitas on YouTube. I think today I'll pin her link so people can subscribe. And also guys, please watch her video. I'm trying my best to see whether I can do videos the whole week with her. At least she can gain the remaining 400 watching now. Only that guys. Even me, I'm trying my best. I need one day to wash my hand like, hey God, I help somebody in this world. And also I advise her, the moment I support you, one day you can choose someone to help, you know. So my heart is to support each other. I don't want to hold, oh, it's my blessing, you know, it's only Hello Baby. No, my work is to share with friends outside here. As long as you're coming out to my front line, you are a good friend of mine, I support you as I can. So guys, I love you. Let's see you on tomorrow's videos guys. Bye.